Have you ever wondered how some drone pilots make $10,000 on a single job while you're stuck doing smaller projects that barely cover your costs? You bought the gear, you've done a few jobs, maybe you even upgraded your drone or bought new software, but the numbers still don't make sense. So you start studying other pilots. You buy more equipment, thinking it will unlock new opportunities, but all it unlocks is another monthly payment. So you take a quick course, but it still doesn't solve the real problem, bringing clients who actually pay for your work. Because making money in drone mapping doesn't start with drones or software. It starts with understanding the value of your service and the problems your clients need solved. I'm Stefan Niculescu, a land surveyor with over 20 years on construction and mapping projects around the world. And trust me, I've been exactly where you are. 3 years ago, I was working 12, 14 hours a day, weekends, serving sites, processing data, answering clients late at night. Yet, at the end of the month, my bank account didn't show the effort. Clients wanted everything for nothing. Invoices were questioned, discounts were expected, and meanwhile, other survey businesses were charging double for the same work I was doing and getting paid without resistance. That's why I changed everything. I stopped blaming the market and rebuilt my approach, my services, my workflow, and my client strategy. The result? My business increased its profits by more than 50% the next year, and it's been growing every year since. So now I help drone business owners to do the same. That's why I created the 5-week drone mapping business accelerator, a personalized program with 5 private one-to-one sessions designed to rebuild your business from the inside out. In 5 weeks, we refine your services, identify your high value clients, fix your workflow, improve your processing and quality control, and build deliverables clients actually value. You'll get lifetime access to all templates, training, and updates because this industry moves fast and your workflow needs to move faster. So you can revisit everything anytime as your business grows. And to make this completely risk-free, you're protected by a 14-day money-back guarantee. Try it. If it's not for you, you'll get a full refund. No questions asked. If you're serious about turning your drone skills into a profitable professional business, this is your moment. Apply today and let's build the business you know you're capable of.